Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Soji and you are welcome to Soji Forex. In this channel, I share with you profitable strategy that will turn around your trading journey, okay, in the financial market. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel so that you get to know whenever I drop a content for you to watch, to learn, and upgrade your skill in forex trading. I also be giving financial advice, financial tips on how to go about your trading journey. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you a trading strategy for scalping boom and crash profitably, where you can take not less than 20 minutes candle without the fear of being caught by a spike or by a drop. Okay, this video is going to be in series, so that is why you need to subscribe to the channel. All you need to do is do not skip any part of this video, okay, so that you don't miss the important point or message that will be passed across to you. Okay, I will be sharing the setup to the strategy at the end of the video. All right, so where do we start? The first, our entry is going to be on the M1 time frame. Okay, our entry is on the M1, but our analysis begins from the M5 time frame. Our analysis begins on the M5 time frame. This is a live trade that is going on now. So what is our condition? Our condition is to make sure that either our price should be either touching or is outside the upper band of the Bollinger, okay, of the Bollinger band. The price should be touching it or it should be outside of it. As you can see, the price is outside of the Bollinger band. Okay, once the price has pierced through it, this is condition number one. Then all you need to do is you go. The condition number two is that you go to indicator window, and on the indicator window we have our RSI 6 and our MACD signal line. Okay, make sure that the MACD signal line is above the 75 region of the RSI. The MACD signal line, which is the black line, should be above the 75 region of our RSI line. Okay, and once it's above it, that is condition number two. Okay, and then when that has been observed and is met on the M5, then all you need to do, you will switch to your M1 time frame where you will be making your entries. All right, you switch to the M1 time frame where you will be making your entries. Okay, then you observe the same condition on the M1, and of course, you know, if M5 is at the 75 and then is piercing the upper band, you should know that M1 is doing the same thing. And of course, that is what we can observe, that is what we can see on our chart right here. And then you see this curve, okay, on the M1. Make sure that the MACD line is making a curve, is making a curve above the 75 region of the RSI. The curve, as you are seeing now, just like a cover above it. Please, it is very, very important. It is very, very important that you observe the curve of this MACD line making a curve above the RSI. Okay, Okay, and then when you have observed this curve, oh my God, you can go into your trade without any fear. Okay, then the last thing you will observe is to wait for your candle to close below the EMA 10. Okay, this is moving average 10 applied to high and same applied to low. Okay, this moving average 10 serves as support and resistance. It serves as support and resistance. Okay, when you allow the price to come below it, the candle closes below it, and of course, what do? From that level, you will take your trade. Okay, this is our entry. This first black line is our entry, and then you put your stop loss. Okay, your stop loss is above. Okay, this is our entry. We have our entry here after the closure of the candle below this line. Okay, below the moving average 10, hear me, you have your entry, and then you put your stop loss above that high. Please always put your stop loss. Do not trade without stop loss. Okay, then you put it above that high, and then once it is above that high, then you let the market to play out. Mind you, even if there is a spike, even if a spike should occur, it will not take you out. It will not take you out. The spike can never take you out. Okay, and then you will keep riding. Okay, you can see that I've been in this market since, and I am still in this trade. Okay, immediately the condition is met, you dive into the market, and then you take your 20-minute candle. You take your 20-minute candle. Okay, you don't need to be afraid, you don't need to fear of anything. It also works. It works on all boom and crash market. Okay, look at this is boom 300. Okay, I have a trade running on boom 300. You can see that this trade is still running on the boom 300. Okay, and it is working live. Look at the conditions. The conditions are met all over the place. You see this? Okay, and then you come to your indicator window. All right, you observe this, and then you see this cross. You see this cross that happens here. Oh my God. Then we'll now move to our M5 time frame. Okay, you will observe the same condition being met on the M5 time frame. Look at it. The MACD line is at 75 and it's making a curve. It is making a curve. Why I am emphasizing on this curve is this is what gave us a signal, because we are on an uptrend, but this is our signal that the market is about to reverse. Okay, and our goal is for us to sell at the premium point. We sell high and then we buy at a discount level. We buy low. Okay, so make sure that the price is at that level, and then when you spot this curve, okay, when you spot this curve here, you then go to your M1 and then wait for that curve and then make an entry. Okay, and then you have nothing to fear. The market keep riding and riding and riding. Okay, let me show you briefly the setup of this indicator. On our main chart, we have the Bollinger Band. The period is 130. The deviation is 2. Shift is 0. Apply to close. And then the style is 2 pixels. The color is green. You can use any color of your choice. Then click on done. Please, I believe you are getting value from this video. Please do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe to the channel. On your notification bell so that you can get to know whenever I release the next content. Please subscribe to this channel. There are so many amazing things you'll be learning as far as the financial market and financial tips that will make you to be profitable in trading. All right, guys, let's continue. Another moving average is the second indicator is a moving average, and that is period 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to high, and then our pixel is 2. Then this is the color. You can choose any color of your choice. Then the second moving average is moving average 10 again. The shift is 0. The method is exponential. Apply to low. Okay. And then the style is 2 pixels. The color is fair. You click on done. Then we have our indicator window 1. Please forget about the indicator window 2. The indicator window 1, we are looking at what? Our MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, and you apply to close. On your style, the main style, okay, you change the background color. You change the color to your background color of your screen. If your screen background is black, you change it to black. If it is white as mine, you change it to white as well. Then we have our signal line. Okay, we have 3 pixels. Okay, and then the color is black. If you have done that, you click on done. All right. Then after that, the next moving average is relative strength index. Relative strength index. Okay, our period is 6. We apply to close. Our style is 3 pieces and the color is blue. Then our levels, we have level 75, okay, and level 25. So all we have talked about in the boom market is level 75. Okay, so subsequently for the next video, I'm going to talk about how to buy a crash market. Okay, and then we are going to use our level 25. All right, you can see that we are confidently in this market. Okay, we are not afraid of the spike. You can see that the market is still going down and down and down. You have nothing to fear. You take your 20-minute candle, then you go out. You already set your stop loss, so you don't fear. You have decided on how much you want to risk for your trade. Okay, now if you miss entry, that's why you need to subscribe to this channel. You are going to be taught how to make a re-entry so that you can ride it. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. See you. Cheers and God bless.